Hi guys, how are we today? So welcome back to Mark's Home Kitchen. So I woke up this morning and I fancied something slightly different. So I thought, looking at the store cupboard stuff that I had, I'm going to make a Chinese fakeaway curry, slightly healthier than what you get, but with all the flavour. So let's get into it. Now again, this is a dump and go, so it's just dump everything into the slow cooker, leave it for 4 to 6 hours and see where we go. So I'm going to start off with fused light organic coconut milk. Again, into the slow cooker. This is low calorie, so I'm trying to make it as healthy as I can. Then we're going to go with 2 tablespoonfuls of tomato puree. I've just used Tesco's, but you can use whichever you have, or tomato paste. Then we have 2 tablespoonfuls of McDonnells Slimmers curry sauce. Like I said, I'm trying to keep it healthy. 2 tablespoons gives it a bit of a kick. If you want it spicier, put some more into it. Then we're going to go with 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric. This gives it flavour and colour. Then we're going to go with Chinese five spice, a teaspoon of that. Please don't forget this one because this is what gives it that more authentic Chinese taste. Next then we're going to go with a teaspoon of ground coriander. This will give it a little bit of a kick and again some more flavour. Now we're going to go with half a teaspoon of black pepper. You can use white pepper if you have, but black's what I had in the cupboard. Then we're going to go with 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Again, this gives it a little more heat. I like mine sort of medium to warm, but you can add more if you want. Then I have 4 cloves of garlic. Again, what I've used in the cupboard is lazy garlic. We've got 1 tablespoonful of ginger paste. Then we have 1 tablespoonful of reduced salt soy sauce and a sprinkling of salt. And I'm going to give that a mix around. Don't worry about it if it doesn't mix in together, because once you're warmed up, the coconut will melt and it'll all be together. Next then I'm going to add 4 chicken breasts. The breasts that I've added are about 150 grams each, so it's about 600 grams of chicken breast. You can use thighs if you want, but if you're going to, make sure that they're skin off and no bone. And again, dump it in, cover it with the sauce. Then I went and I was in the garden and I picked up one of the onions and I just chopped it up. This is a medium to large onion and it's chopped in chunks because obviously with the amount of cooking we still want chunks at the end of it. Again, we're going to give that a mix round and I'm going to pop the lid on. We'll let that cook for about 4 hours on high or 6 hours on low, whichever you have. Or if you're out at work all day, pop it on warm and just let it cook and it'll take 6 or 8 hours and it'll be nice and done. So after it is, you can see the steam coming off it. I've just opened the slow cooker. We just take a couple of forks or a couple of knives and you're just going to break up the chicken into little bits. I like mine slightly chunky, so I'm not going to do too much here. Now that we've got to this stage, what we're going to do is we're going to add 150 grams of frozen peas and give that a good stir around just to make sure that they're all covered. Now at this stage, just before we cover for the last half an hour, we're going to taste it and see if it needs any more seasoning, if it's warm enough, or if you want to put some more curry powder or some heat into it. Mine was perfectly flavoured, so I just left it as it was. I'll pop the lid back on for another 30 minutes and then it's ready to serve. Now I have served mine just with some white rice, but the proper accompaniment, or the most favourable accompaniment in Ireland, is with chips and with fried rice. We call it a half and half. Folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video.